The strength of the crocodile is in the water. That is what our elders say. But you turn every situation into water to exhibit your God-given strength. Your silent role in the success story of KNUST over the past 19 years as Chancellor can simply be described as awesome and inspiring. You indeed are the epitome of the Akan proverb, "Ahwene pa nkasa, ahwene pa nkasa." Thank you. You have been the firm foundation that has cushioned KNUST over the years, and you continue as the cornerstone that binds it together. You have inspired the shared vision of KNUST and modeled the way for management to follow, Nana. You have challenged the systems and processes and encouraged the hearts of successive vice chancellors to enable them perform to their limits. Through your able direction, the university has steadily transformed into a model institution. The first choice of every Ghanaian child. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The massive expansion of infrastructure, the state-of-the-art architecture, the immense improvement of academic and research facilities, cutting-edge research and research centers, and modern ICT infrastructure, to mention but a few, have all been inspired by your great leadership. I'm waiting for you. Thank you. Your royalty notwithstanding, Nana, you treat everyone with utmost respect. Council members, management, staff, students, alumni, our stakeholders alike. The grave concern you show towards our students, particularly the underprivileged ones, manifest your passion for the well-being of humanity. But for your intervention, a number of our brilliant students would have had their education curtailed and their future crippled. The Otumfuo Educational Fund has immensely supported KNUST students, and we can never forget your role leading to the increased number of scholars from 1,500 to 2,000 in the phase 2 of the MasterCard Scholars Program. The individual student beneficiaries, their families, and society at large are eternally grateful for your kind gesture. Your doors are always open to receive us, Nana. Your ears are always attentive to hear us. Your heart is always ready to share our frustrations and fears. And your mind provides the wisest counsel that calms the troubled breast and drives away all our fears. You are indeed a true warrior who does not shrink or flee from challenges, but merely winks at them. You have a unique way of bringing a glimmer of light into the darkest and seemingly hopeless situations. You have been nothing but a blessing to the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Nana. Thank you. Thank you. For the 19 years of steadfast leadership and extraordinary commitment to your role as the Chancellor of KNUST, and for your exemplary leadership of Asanteman over the past 25 years. The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, your university, says, Otumfuo, Aiko. Nana, moni adwumapa. Yeah, that's it.